look is the most outgoing out of all of my looks. I would call this like a more editorial look. It's really outgoing. It has a lot going on. I have some earrings. I have like a detailed hijab style. I even have the hat. But I think it's so cute, especially if you're trying to take some Instagram photos or you're just trying to shoot a lookbook. I think it's so cute. I did actually wear this out and I got a lot of compliments, so I don't think it's too much, but it is for some of you guys. If you're only gonna follow one of my hijab styles, I would definitely recommend just buying a floppy hat. This one was from Forever 21 for $15 and I wore it non-stop this entire vacation. I would definitely recommend just throwing on a hat with your hijab. It sounds funny, but it actually looks so cute. But to start off with this hijab style, what I did was, when I moved the hat, so I'm just holding my hijab here because I don't have anything to cover my neck. But start off by putting on some earrings. It doesn't matter what kind. Usually I wear hoops all the time, but for my vacation I thought these seashell earrings were super cute, so I have these seashell earrings on. So once you put it on, you want a short side and then one really long side. So what you're going to do is from the long side, take it and kind of start twisting it, but like twist it under, if that makes sense. So you're going to twist it and bring this short side around and kind of cover your neck, and then bring this around, and as you're bringing it around, keep twisting it so you get this like this rope detailed look, which I think is super cute. And then like bring it down and keep doing that, and then once you're done you can let go of that piece and then take the small piece and just kind of tuck it underneath. So once you tuck in that little piece, just get this part and just play around with it and bring it to the front and just leave it like that. And I think it looks super cute. I think it looks like an Egyptian scarf. Then I'm going to take my hat and just place it on top like this, and this is the look. So for the second look, you're going to need a underpiece. So I just tied a lightweight jersey hijab around my neck. I tried to find a color that matches the hijab color that I'm going to wear. Then I have this headband that I got from Forever 21, and I'm just going to put it on like you normally would on hair. So I just put the headband on my head, and now I'm just going to tie a bow at the top. You can do a knot, you can do a bow, whatever you want. I think a bow looks super cute. I kind of like my bow like off to the side, so that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to take my hijab and place it on my head. This hijab style is supposed to be really loose and flowy, so don't worry about the way it sits on your head. Then I'm going to have, as always, a short side and then one really long side. And what I'm going to do is take the bottom side of the long side, so like not this front, but this bottom, and throw it across and bring it all the way around. So it just looks really flowy and loose, and you just want to play with it. I like to take this side and kind of fold it in like that, and that's it. It's so easy. It's super cute. It just looks really effortless. I think it pairs really well with like a beach vibe, super windy. You can definitely pin it down somewhere if you wanted to. I definitely never pin it down. I just like the way it feels with like the wind actually blowing my neck. So yeah, it looks like. This last style is the easiest out of all of them, and actually probably one of the cutest and most simple one. So all it is like a little bow tying thingy off to the side paired with a little hat. You can definitely do this style without a hat. I just think it looks a little bit cuter with the hat, but it's just my normal hijab style, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So it's literally my normal hijab style. If you guys haven't seen how I do my everyday hijab style, I'll link a video down below where you can see it. But instead of throwing this over my shoulder, I just leave the long side and the bottom portion that I usually tuck into my top, and I take the two and just tie a little knot off to the side, and then the excess fabric I kind of just tuck it in the back, and it's so cute and so simple. I just think like